Alright YouTube, as you saw in a previous video, I have now purchased a 2x72 belt grinder, and I'd like to get some practice in on freehand grinding some knife bevels. So without risk of ruining anything really nice that I might happen to make, I have a bunch of railroad spikes down there in a bucket. I think I'm going to try to pound out some railroad spike knives if I can find any decent ones. A lot of them are really rusty, but anyway, that's what we're going to try to do. So let's get started. I think we'll go with that. A little bit further. Alright guys, this is what we got from the rough forging. This is the first spike knife I've ever made, and I think we might have some cracking right in here. Not sure. We'll grind it some and see what happens. Like I say, I'm just doing these to practice freehand bevels. Got to clean up all the edges here because I had some, what do you want to call that, fish iron or fish lips? I'm not sure what you call that for sure, but yeah, it was folding over here on the ends, but not too bad, but still going to grind some of it off, clean up the point a little bit, and see if we have any cracking in here. So here we go.